shooting with a Phase 1 medium format camera and have IIQ RAW files to process. These are professional camera RAW files containing maximum image data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with these Phase 1 RAW image files. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party IIQ file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. An IIQ file is a high-quality raw image captured by a Phase 1 digital camera or digital back. Professional photographers use this format to retain the maximum amount of unprocessed sensor data, allowing for extensive post-processing adjustments to exposure, white balance, and color with minimal quality loss. This proprietary format is designed as a digital negative, storing raw, uncompressed, or losslessly compressed sensor data in a 16-bit color depth. This structure preserves the full dynamic range and color gamut captured by the camera, providing maximum flexibility for professional-grade editing and color correction. Adobe Systems Incorporated endorses Adobe Photoshop as the main tool for handling IIQ files. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows may show minimal preview information, but full refinement requires specialized tools. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the IIQ file and choose Open With. Start with Adobe Photoshop if available. If not, select another application from the list. If the IIQ file still will not open, there is no need to stress. You've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focus tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the IIQ file begins. First, processing in Capture One. Install Capture One, the flagship raw processing software from Phase 1. Open IIQ files through File then Open, or by importing into a Capture One catalog. The application provides exceptional raw processing optimized for Phase 1 files, with industry-leading color rendering and tethering capabilities for studio photographers. Next, using Adobe Lightroom, import IIQ files into Adobe Lightroom. Classic or Lightroom CC for raw processing. Adobe Camera Raw supports most Phase 1 IIQ files, providing alternative workflows for photographers using Adobe's ecosystem. Color rendering may differ from Capture One, but Lightroom's catalog management offers organizational benefits. Finally, converting to DNG. Convert IIQ files to Adobe DNG format using Adobe DNG Converter for archival or compatibility purposes. DNG is an open standard supported by many raw processors, providing future-proof storage of raw image data. The conversion preserves image quality while improving long-term accessibility across software platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.